Business today is faced with several problems. If companies can bring together what is most desirable from a human point of view with what is technologically feasible and economically viable, they can certainly transform their businesses. Look at the following business case to get an idea of how this works. Airbnb, which had started with the idea of offering travelers a homestay alternative to the fussy hotel experience, was facing a situation where the guests damaged or disrupted the homes. Stories of bad guests spread, and homeowners were becoming reluctant to list their spare rooms on Airbnb. According to you, how should Airbnb have solved this problem? Let us look at their solution. The company designed a new policy. Every homeowner who listed with Airbnb would receive a free $50,000 insurance policy to protect his property. Later, this was changed to a $1 million peace of mind guarantee. The hosts were satisfied, and Airbnb grew rapidly. This extraordinarily risky move succeeded in restoring trust and offered a huge boost to the business. Founder Brian Chesky had successfully identified the pain point of the hosts, and he succeeded in designing an amazingly creative solution. This is what design thinking can do for a business when it is based on empathy and creativity, the two pillars of design thinking. In this video, you will learn to identify the foundational pillars of design thinking, empathy, and creativity. Define empathy. Explain how creativity influences the outcomes of design thinking. What is empathy? The unique manner in which Airbnb approached the problem of homeowners is a clear indication that the organization could think and feel what the homeowners thought and felt. This is what empathy is about: standing in someone else's shoes, hearing what they hear, seeing what they see, feeling what they feel. Having understood empathy and its importance in understanding the needs of a customer or potential user, the next step is to come up with a solution that will differentiate us from the others in the marketplace. Creativity and out-of-the-box thinking are critical for achieving this. Let us look at an example. The Paris World Exposition of 1889 was marked by the Eiffel Tower, the world's tallest building at that time. For their World Exposition of 1893, the citizens of Chicago wanted to build a greater attraction. Architects and inventors proposed many different towers, until a creative engineer got a truly original idea of seating people in railroad cars and lifting them up so they could view Chicago from above. The engineer's name was George Ferris, and his Ferris wheel was a smash hit, earning a huge profit for the exposition. So you see, the best designs come from creativity, not from copying. However, this is easier said than done. Businesses usually find it difficult to come up with original ideas. Why? Often, businesses rely on experience or instinct to tackle or solve unfamiliar problems. These tried and tested approaches will get us few ideas, and in most cases, those ideas don't work or are inadequate to solve the problem. Some ideas might address only part of the problem. They might have unexpected side effects, or there might be hidden reasons why people won't accept them. The best way to find one great solution is to first collect as many creative solutions as possible. Let us look at how this can be done. Creative solutions can be garnered by adhering to the following guidelines. Get more ideas. Expand your thinking limits. Think out of the box. Break down inner inhibitions. Try and be as original as possible. Before we end this video, are you ready for a quick knowledge check? Walk in the shoes of a potential user. This statement reflects empathy, ideation, testing. If you have selected option 1, you are correct. The statement, walk in the shoes of a potential user, reflects empathy. To summarize our lesson, empathy means standing in someone else's shoes, hearing what they hear, seeing what they see, feeling what they feel. Creative solutions can be garnered by adhering to the following guidelines. Get more ideas. Expand your thinking limits. Think out of the box. Break down inner inhibitions. Try and be as original as possible.